Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Okay, welcome to this Facebook Live by my family. You know. Well, let me step over here because I don't want to I don't own that music in the background, y'all. Got my people right here, you know. Yep. All right, so I don't want the yeah, 19 Stacy over here, y'all. You know, she's here. I don't own this music in the background, y'all. So let's rush inside. So this don't continue on to be caught. You know. All right. So here I am, y'all. Oh, look at. Hey, Naomi, you on TV? Journey on TV? Janai on TV? I'm just kidding. I ain't gonna put you on. All right. Let me try to switch this over. Oh, that's funny. Like this with two hands. You gotta do like this. Oh, wait. Let me show. See how crazy she is. Cuckoo. All right. Oh, I'm not gonna put you on. I'm not gonna. TT, I'm not gonna call you Piggy. Oh Lord, what? Look at Cartier. Say Cartier. All right. All right. So, by my family, and where this came from? This grill right here. Hot service, don't touch. Y'all follow that rule. All right, y'all follow that rule. Yep. So, yeah, by my family and stuff like that, you know. So, how would y'all fix a broken pipe or broken family? Nobody can fix a broken family. Yeah, only the Lord can. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, beautiful. Look at Cardi when she was younger. A beautiful wedding photo. Yep. Bride and mommy. Yep. All right. Remember all that? Root Cliff College. Everything. Not yep. All right. So I sure love doing my show. It don't hurt like a Bessie bug if you could give it a hoop. So she can't have everything. I don't know who said what, but we gonna see who said what. This was from Santana's first birthday party last year. Okay, I don't know who this is. All right, amazing. I like that song. It's some. All right. Okay. Oh, that's wonderful. Yay! All right, a princess. Yeah. Well, I can't wait for you to meet Ayana. No. All right, huh? Oh my friend Donald's niece. Donald, my friend, his niece. You know. All right, so yeah.
Turn them to a princess.
Oh, okay, that's wonderful.
I turned you to a princess with mom.
Do I look like a princess, y'all? I look like a prince. I don't own that song in the background, y'all. Okay. So I'm at to close that door. I don't own that music in the background, y'all.
Okay. Probably do. Turn you to a frog. I mean
Bippity boppity boo. I haven't heard that since I was a kid. Let me close this door so that music don't catch. I don't own that music in the background, yo. Oh. All right, amazing. I like.
I'm sitting here while people make plates and shit.
I hope this my.
Oh, Raven gonna come in here and fuck at me.
Raven. All right, so no journey, never mind journey, but anyway, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm about to go to YouTube Live. If y'all see this on YouTube already, y'all saw it already. Oh, well, never mind that. Okay. All right, bye-bye, y'all.